So this video is a character tutorial, sorry guys. So this character tutorial is for Ava _ Snoopy. So we are going to be collabing with her. This is my first time ever collabing with someone, but like I collab with it's Toka Deja because she's like my cousin, but like that is not a collab. That's just like I don't know, but this video is for Ava, I think. I'm sorry, but yeah. So let's go. These are like my characters, but I think you only need my character. Don't mind these. I was going to make a roleplay, but yeah. So first off, it's the most tall. Then we go to the very bottom, and it's this, like in the middle of that. I'm not like I'm tan. It's not because I'm like that. But it's not because like I'm like that. But I'm just tan. I think you understand that, yeah. So the hair color is this, the lightest, I think. But yeah. So it's this hairstyle from the Pusheen pack. I don't know if you have it, but yeah. I think I had an earring. Yes, I did. Sorry, but yeah. So next we have the eyes. For the eyes, I'm using this eyes with the lashes a bit down, like downer. For the color, I'm using this pink. Oh, and the nose is this. The eyebrows are this. And this, yep. This mouth. By the way, I don't know if you saw the eyebrows, but they're the very bottom, the right. For this part, I actually don't know, but oh, right, that. Sorry. Where was it? Here? This and here. Yep. So I know this part, but you can't do. I think it was this, yeah. You can do like this, yeah, like this. Then the outfit is custom. I will be showing you how to make the outfit. But yeah, I think you can do it by yourself. Definitely, but I'll just show you real quick, like this. Then the new, like these, I love them. Then this, it didn't have a necklace, but yeah. So this is my outfit. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is specifically made for Ava, but yeah. I hope our collab will be very good. I'm very glad that you agreed on collabing with me. But yeah, bye Ava. And all to my other fans, thank you for watching.